wallet from Moral Origin, a cleverly designed minimalist wallet that's been ethically made from cork leather material. As well as the unique flip function for quick access to cards, there's a pocket for notes and receipts, and a hidden magic pocket for quick access to your coins. The cork leather we use is tough and durable. It's fire repellent, water resistant, and has a natural aesthetic that means each product is unique. Because each person is also unique, the cork wallet is adjustable, whether you carry a lot or a little, whether you're left or right-handed. But our out-of-the-box thinking is not just limited to our designs. Moral Origin are an ethical company that believe ethical should be affordable for all. So we've come with some bold and unconventional ideas and are designing our products to be assembled by you. Each wallet comes with an online assembly video, so it can be easily assembled by anyone. This minimises production and allows it to be both ethical and affordable. When it comes to packaging, we know fancy packaging increases profits and makes economic sense. Unfortunately, it makes no environmental sense. So we only do the most basic 100% recycled packaging. And with the resources we save, we focus on sourcing ethical, quality materials that are good for you, good for animals, and good for the planet. At Moral Origin, we know our approaches are a little different. But these new approaches mean reduced waste and pollution, and they allow us to bring you a high quality product at an affordable price with complete ethical peace of mind. So if you like what we're doing here, and you'd like a wallet, or perhaps you might know someone who would, then you can go to our Kickstarter page and make a pledge. With your help, we can make this project a reality.
We set out to create the sexiest, easiest to use minimalist wallet in the whole world. And I think we've done just that. But it's time to find out for yourself.
Hello Kickstarter, this is not me, this is Ruben, and today he'll introduce you to our wallet. No, not this wallet. This wallet. When we were starting, we had 3 goals in mind. Our product had to be good looking, fully functional, and extremely durable. After months of hard work, development, and improving, we finally created the perfect product. Introducing Valet. Made from carbon fiber, which is one of the strongest and lightest materials on planet Earth, our wallet is both stylish and extremely durable. Proudly made in the United States. There are many minimalist wallets out there, but we wanted a thin and cool looking wallet that did not compromise functionality. Here you see a demonstration of our wallet versus a conventional wallet with the same number of bills. You can even try this at home. We designed an adjustable rubber clasp. For those that carry a lot of cards or cash, the clasp can be easily adjusted. Even one bill will not fall out. There are 2 different wallet sizes for you to choose from. This is the smaller one. It's literally the size of a credit card. The next size up is designed to fit cash folded in half, and it fits a lot of it, while still being slim and compact. Hey guys, without your help, our product will remain a prototype. Please help us in any way you can by sharing with friends or family. Let's kickstart this thing.